Hey everybody, this is Renee Rutten, and I wanted to share a little bit about Tapestri with you today. So what is Tapestri? Well, Tapestri is a product that allows cell phone users, just regular old cell phone users, you, I, and everybody on the street, a way to earn money every day for something they're already doing. So what is that something you're already doing? Using your smartphone, just being out and about and living life like you do every day. It's nothing special that you have to do on a daily basis. You don't have to upload pictures or upload videos or do anything funky. And I can explain all of those details if you want more information. So you might wonder, how is this even possible? It's really very, very simple. As you can see from some of these images, these apps are understanding your location pings. And that's the anonymous longitude and latitude pings that your phone creates. These pings are worth a lot of money. Right now, all of that money is going to big tech, to the big app companies. And I don't want anybody to think that I'm here to bash any big app companies, because that is not the purpose of this or of Tapestri at all. These services that they provide to us are very valuable. They're free. They're open practically worldwide to people all across the world to use these services. And somehow these companies have to pay for these services, right? I mean, they have programmers, they have software, they have other staff that they have to pay, payroll they have to meet, and all of that. So if you think about it, they have to be monetizing somewhere. So the way that they do that is they do that through these pings. So I really just simply want you to understand the mechanics and that there is a trade-off, I guess, if you will. You get to use their products, these free services, and they ask your permission to use these pings. Now, maybe you don't remember giving these permissions. It happens when you download the app. And you might just be saying yes, yes, yes to get through and not really reading the terms. So if you'd like, take a look at some of the apps on your phone, go to the App Store, and instead of downloading or opening, just press on the app and then scroll down and you can see the terms and agreements so that you can see right there what you may have missed when you first downloaded it. So Tapestri is a product, and they ask for this permission too. They ask for it right up front so that there's no confusion about what they are asking. And then in turn, what they do is they monetize these pings for you and send you a monthly check. Now, you might be wondering, how in the world does that help a nonprofit? What good is that to my nonprofit, to my organization? Well, since it's a free product, it is truly it's a phenomenal opportunity for nonprofits to earn a powerful monthly income from it. So instead of asking your supporters to spend money by buying something for you, they can actually, in essence, donate to your organization 100% free, and in turn, they actually earn money for themselves and for their own families. As high as prices are right now, whether it be gas, food, rent, a lot of that stuff is going up. Your supporters are earning money for themselves, and at the same time, you are earning money for inviting them to Tapestri. So it really is a win-win. So if you'd like more information on this, if you'd like to see the blueprint that I personally developed to help organizations really build a phenomenal monthly income, just reach out. I am a global affiliate with Tapestri, which to you really just means that I know the product in and out, I know how it works, I know how to monetize it, and I know how to help nonprofits really benefit from this product. So again, just reach out and we'll have a chat and see if this will work for you. Thanks.